My name is Arlyne Sanjines. In today's video, I'm going to take you guys shopping with me at IKEA. Then I'm going to show you guys exactly which things I bought. If you guys can tell, my background is quite different today. It is my birthday today. I'm filming this on my birthday. And Weston got me like the cutest flowers. I posted it on my Instagram. It was the sweetest thing. There was like roses coming down the stairs. And I thought, you know what? This is going to be a really pretty backdrop. Plus, this video is about like home decor and stuff, and you guys can see the new home, which is what I am furnishing and decorating, which is the reason I went to IKEA. So yeah, if you guys end up enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also, turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, okay, yeah, let's go shopping at IKEA. All right, let's see what we find at this different IKEA that I'm not used to. Ooh, so we need kind of like a TV console. I wanted something that was kind of higher. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is like the perfect height. So this might work out perfectly. And it's black because I'm doing a lot of like blacks, whites, and neutrals. So this might be the winner. I don't know. I just got here, so we'll see what else I find. I love this lamp. I don't know where I would put something like this. Maybe in one of the guest rooms. I love this. Okay, this is why I love coming to IKEA. This looks so beachy and cute. It looks like a cloth kind of picture hanging. I don't know. It's really weird. It's this, yeah, it's like a canvas. But it's so cool looking. Like, where can I do something like this? I definitely wouldn't do the living room because I want something more traditional. Maybe like a guest room? Comment down below where I could do something like this. I know this is a living room setup, but like I said, I already have plans for my living room and it's not anything like this, but I think this is really cute. Okay, so this isn't like my favorite setup ever, but I want to show you guys my vibe. I'm also thinking of painting one of our walls black like this, like as an accent wall. But look, the whites, the black, the golds, that's exactly what I'm going for. I love this. Ooh, this could even, oh my gosh, I think I kind of like this better for like a media console almost. Oh wait, is this huge thing or can I customize and use only like 2 of those things? This is so pretty. Okay, I think it is totally customizable. I just opened it and it looks like it is. So I would take these 3 right here with the glass door. Look at this, and that's exactly where I want to put it. Where the TV goes is the wall that I want to paint black. Oh my gosh, I like this way more than the first thing I saw. Okay, I'm finding so many of these cabinet things that I would want to use as like a media console. I didn't realize IKEA had so many that are like the perfect size, perfect height. This one's all black. This would work with our walls the way they are right now. But if I did paint it black, then this would be way too much black. But I love this. I love that there's glass down there. Another simple essential. Either that little baggy storage or this little baggy storage. You guys, I've never seen a bed like this. Literally, it just has one side of like a hanging rack. I don't know how I feel about it. Is it cute or is it weird? I think it's kind of weird. I'm definitely gonna need a mirror, and I love the style of this one, but it's probably a little too small. I do love like the frame of it and everything. It's only 50, so I'm still thinking I could put it somewhere else. Okay, I found the perfect little shelf storage unit, shelf unit. It's $120 in white, and I feel like I'm gonna put this in the master, and then I could put all my shoes on there. If not shoes, purses, accessories, I don't know. I definitely need this though. We got a ton of goods. This is like, there's a lot. Hopefully we got all the right stuff because they give us a list. It was pretty confusing, but we're gonna go home and build it up. What's the pro tip? You asked for this packing list? Well, when you get something so freaking confusing like this, like you need that list.
You need the list.
Because that was
and it
really...
tells you exactly what to grab. Pro tip.
Look how much stuff there is. Holy cow.
IKEA will help you out. Grab the list.
And then do it.
And then, another pro tip. You can end up turning this into a paper airplane for fun. If you have kids, you can throw it.
Let's go. Oh.
Boomerang came right back to me.
Okay, so onto the haul portion and showing you guys exactly what I ended up getting from IKEA. I didn't get too many things, but I did get one huge thing, which is like, I feel like a good statement piece that I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. But one of the other things I did get were these frames right here. These are the Ribba. This one's a 19 by 27 inch frame, so it is pretty big. And I love that it has like the black frame on it. And also, another thing is I looked everywhere for frames. I thought I got a really good deal on the frames that I put up in my home right there. Those ones were like a little under 30 each. These ones I believe were $12 each. So you are not going to find any cheaper frames, especially for like the quality. Like this quality is pretty legit. It isn't the best, but it's also not bad at all. And this one has the white matting on it. All the other ones that I bought that I thought were pretty good deals don't have any of the white matting, and I feel like the white matting makes it look a lot nicer and just, yeah, just a lot more expensive, if you will. So I actually got 3 of them. I'm not going to pick them all up, but I got 3 to put either on top of the like master bed. I just have been loving like the 3 frames next to each other, especially with the black frame. And what I like to do is I'll buy the frames and then I'll go on Etsy and then find just like a graphic or like an art print or something. So yeah, usually I'll send it to like my local Walgreens or like Staples or somewhere and get it printed. And I find that doing it that way is so much cheaper than buying like an actual print that's like already framed and ready to go online. So yeah, that's what I like to do. And then the next thing, I'll show you guys the big thing. I obviously can't hold it and like show it to you like this, but I'm obviously gonna insert clips so you guys can see it. I ended up going with this media stand or like display cabinet. They had so many different like options and configurations, and like there's just different ways you can configure this particular model. What was it called? It's called the Besta. That's what it's called, the Besta. And there's so many different ways like you can do it. There's also tall, like you can make it super tall if you wanted to. Yeah, there's like a million different ways. You choose what you want. You choose like the glass doors. I chose the 3 glass doors in the front, and then the bottom I did choose just a plain white because I wanted to be able to actually store stuff in there. There were a few other ones that I absolutely loved, like you guys saw when I was shopping. I love the black one and I really considered that one, but those were all literally just display cabinets. And for me, I feel like I love being able to have a little bit of storage space. So whenever people are over or just, there's just things we like to keep in there. So I really like wanted something with storage, and that was like the best one I found, especially for the price. It wasn't the cheapest considering the quality isn't the best, but it was, I feel like, fairly priced for what I got. It fits perfectly. I feel like it looks really modern and it just like makes the space look a little more glam. I'm looking at it right now. So like whenever Weston put the TV up, I was like, what the heck? Like it's looking like a man cave in here now. I'm like, it's looking so like rugged or something. I don't know, with having that TV, I did not realize took up pretty much the entire wall. So I was like, okay, good thing he put it up first. So that is kind of what was the deciding factor with which media cabinet I wanted to go with, which is why I went with that one, because I feel like it looked a little more glam than some of the other ones that I saw. So yeah, that was the big purchase that I got. Okay, moving on to a few more, just more affordable, fun little things. I picked up this little guy right here. I don't know exactly what it would be called, but you put all your plastic bags in here. My mom has it and I feel like it's just something useful. And then it has just like stickies on the back. You can like stick it onto like the door if you have like a pantry or wherever you want to store basically your like grocery bags. You just store them in here, and this was only like a few dollars, I want to say. And then one of my other favorite things is this right here. So these plastic bins, I believe they were $4 or $5. I had no idea that IKEA had these really good like acrylic, good quality bins for so affordable. Like I usually go to like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or somewhere and I'll buy a lot of those other plastic bins for storage, but these ones I feel like look so much nicer and are even cheaper, and they're like a legit good size. So I got 4 of them and I put them all in the pantry already, but I know I need to go back and I need to get a ton more because these little basket things are perfect. And I'm telling you, the quality, and for $5, maybe even 4, I don't remember exactly, is so good. But yeah, that's actually gonna be everything for this haul. I know it wasn't too many things, but like I said, like the big main focus was the whole little display media cabinet over there. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm telling you, I've been posting a ton on there now that we finally have been like settling in. But yeah, subscribe, turn on post notifications. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.